Hello everyone, what's going on? And happy Monday. Bear with me, it's a little windy outside, but overall it's a gorgeous day here. I wanted to take you through this 2021 Passport GT 2704RK. It comes in weighing around 6,260 pounds with a length of 31 feet 7 inches. All right, so here on the outside at the very front, you got your powered tongue jack. You also have this utility light so you can kind of see what you're doing even if you get to the campground while it's still pretty dark outside. 2 propane tanks are just behind there, and you also have a spot for your battery. Nice fiberglass front cap. I love the design on it. And then coming over on our camping side, you have some pass-through storage. So just a great spot to put extra camping gear, anything that you want really, maybe an outdoor rug for your camping setup, tables, chairs, your beach floaties, anything that you want. It also has the magnetic latch, so you can open it with one hand and it just stays up there so you can get everything that you want with your one hand if it is full. Huge power awning that stretches all the way across for that extra shade. Bluetooth capable outside speakers. And then here is your main entrance, friction hinge door with the oversized grab handle, and it also has solid steps leading up to it. You are pre-wired for solar on this coach, and this does have front and rear power stabilizer jacks as well as extended season camping. And this camper is really cool because on the outside there's just a lot of little storage compartments everywhere, so they really utilized a lot of places to put your things. Like right here is a trash can and you have access to it from the inside, but if you need to throw something away while you are relaxing outside, you can quickly just open this up and throw something in there. Power on the outside as well as satellite and cable for a TV hookup. And you also have an outside kitchen, so mini fridge for some beverages, and this drawer space that pulls out for some extra countertop space, and then the drawer for your 2 burners is underneath there, so it kind of makes like an L shape. Here on the back is a spare tire, and then you also have a ladder to keep up on your roof and slide out maintenance, so it is a fully walkable roof. And then coming over here, you have your one slide out, and again, some random extra storage. It's actually pretty tall too, and it almost has, it's not a cork board backing, but you probably could have some tools in here or be able to hang up pretty much anything that you want. So just love the additional storage. And then here is your other side to your pass-through storage. So now let's take a peek at the inside. All right, so coming all the way to the front, we have our master bedroom, queen size bed with that additional storage underneath it. So you are able to lift up the mattress. End tables are on both sides. The one on the left is slightly longer, so you have some more countertop space, but the reason it's longer is because you have some drawer storage. Both sides have USB ports plus outlets for your electronics or sleep app machine. And then above each is a closet locker, built-in clothes rack, and a shelf as well. And then you have 3 cabinets that run along in between it. You are prepped for a second AC here in the bedroom if you would like one. And right across from your bed, you have a spot for a TV. Of course, you have all of your TV hookups if you would like one. Plus, you have some extra closet space in here. So built-in shelf and a clothes rack, which is nice. And then behind this door, we have our bathroom. So to my right is your foot flush toilet, open shelving for your towels and washcloths or other toiletries. And then you have some cabinet space as well. All the way at the back is your nice stand-up shower with this coiled shower door, which is really interesting. So you don't have to worry about the shower curtain kind of taking up any walking space or, having water and stuff get everywhere. You have this already built-in coiled shower door. Skylight is up above, so you have a little bit of extra headspace, and it even brings in some natural light, plus your vent fan. Across from your toilet is your sink. Love the black matte finish. I think it looks great. Power is there on the back, more open storage, and some down below. And then there is your medicine cabinet. And then coming out into our main living portion of our camper where you host and entertain and all the action is going on. Just on the opposite wall of your bathroom, you have this coffee bar or end table, whatever you want to call it. You can have decorations here. You can use it for small appliances, anything that you want. You just have a lot of extra storage space. 6 drawers are down below. And then you have 3 cabinets up above with a built-in shelf. Diagonal to that, kind of to the left of it, you have your entertainment center. Electric fireplace is there down below, and this actually kicks off some heat, so you don't have to use your propane to heat up your camper. You can just use your campsite's electricity, which is really nice. A couple drawers are just up above, and then access to those outside and inside speakers are right there. Swivel TV, more cabinet space, and then across from there you have a perfect view in your theater reclining seats. Very comfortable. This is the prime napping spot. You also have these built-in cup holders as well, and I think it's removable, so it can be kind of like a love seat. And then coming into our rear kitchen, next to your entertainment center is your freestanding dinette. So you can move these chairs every which way that you would like. Great for board game nights, family board game nights, even just family dinners, maybe even getting some work done. Have your laptop set up right there. The sale price comes out to be $37,995 for everything. And then in this slide out is not carpet. It's almost like an outdoor rug material. So there is 0 carpet in this camper. And I love this open space right here. You can use it for decorations, maybe some plants. Your dog bed could fit right there. And then coming into our rear kitchen, we got our refrigerator. It's a really good size. Storage down below for maybe your pots and pans. To the left of that is your 3-burner top stove with this glass cover that also doubles as a backsplash. So you can have it folded up like so. And if you're cooking something that splatters, soup, bacon, anything like that, you can just quickly wipe it off this glass cover so you can prevent it from getting on your walls and such. Then below that is your oven. All of this storage space down below, and this is almost like a U-shaped little kitchen nook. Extra countertop space too all throughout. You have this raised countertop here to the left. 2 windows, which is something that you don't normally find. There's almost always 1 window in a camper, but the fact that this one has 2, so you have a lot of natural light coming in. Cabinets are up above as well. And then you got your stainless steel sink with the pull down spray nozzle, again, black matte finish, and a pop-up outlet. So you have 2 outlets plus 2 USB ports for some small appliances. And there's even one that is hidden underneath this cabinet right there. And then back to what I was talking about outside. Here is your trash can hidden storage. So this is where you can access that. You don't have to worry about smelling it or anything while you are trying to relax on vacation. And instead of going into your camper to throw away your trash can, you can just open that little compartment and just take it out from there. Lots of storage space. So this is how you can access quickly some of the drawers that you can open up this way. But I guess you can consider this a pantry space. You have all of the shelvings for it. Put all of your canned goods in there. Just a really interesting way of using and utilizing this kind of raised countertop space. So there you have it. Any questions or concerns about this Passport, feel free to let us know and we will be happy to help.